So if you want to go ahead and add in a form to Strikingly, you can actually go ahead and then choose how the form actually behaves in detail. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on Add New Section. And then what you can do is over here on the left hand side, go around over here onto Contacts and Forms. So here you can see that there's the contact form right here. Let's just go ahead and add this in. You can see this particular form, but you don't really know like what happens when the form data is actually get collected. So to add in those details, you can actually go to Edit right here, and then you can see that these are the form options. For example, here's the form name. It says contact form. So I'm just going to go around and rename it to Be in Touch. Let's say, for example, you can change the form name right here. So you can see that there's the form field, that is the name is single field for the name right here. So let me just go ahead and save. You can see the single field right here, but I can go ahead and choose separate field like for first and last name, and then you can see there's first and last name right here. So you can change the name as you want as well. So you can enable and disable the email section right here. So you can see that you can go ahead and do that. And you can also block disposable emails, so you only can add in regular emails. You can go ahead and add in phone number as well. So you can go ahead and say something like mobile phone number to be specific right here, just like this. Click on Save, and then you can see the field update accordingly. You can also require a country code right here in the phone number, and in the message you can see that this is what you have. It says the message and the submit button. So I'm just going to go around and say tell us, let's say for example I can say write what you want to tell us here. So I can go ahead and be more detailed right here, and then you can see submit right here, so you can change the name as you want as well. Let's just go ahead and save, and this is what you have as you can see. So form option, so when the form is submitted, it says thank you for your submission. So I'm just going to go around and say thank you for getting in touch with us. So you can go ahead and type that in right here. And it says you'll receive an email at this address when a visitor submits a message. If you want an email notification, you can simply go around and then let's say for example type in your email, so that whenever any user submits out any information, they can actually go ahead and then get this information. You can add a redirect URL as well. So let's say you want it to go back to an URL. So open up in a new tab. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and add that in as well. So I'm just going to go around and for example type in wikipedia.org right here as an example as a redirect URL. You can also connect to external services right here if you want to as well. Well, let me just go around and do that, and you can also enable strong anti-bot verification so that whenever user tries to submit, it will run that anti-bot verification. So let's just go ahead and save, and this is what you have right here. You got the verification as well. So for example, let me just go ahead and publish it, and let's see how our form works now. So once I go ahead and do that, it opens up the form. Let me just go ahead and add in the details right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, add in my detail right here. So I'm just going to go around and select, let's say for example, any like country code right here. And then I'm going to say this is a test message right here. There's the anti-bot verification that you can go ahead and click. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and collects it out. It says click on the save that does not move. So this does not move. So let's just go ahead and click. This does not move. So let's just go ahead and click. And this is what you have. So if I were to go ahead and click on submit now, you can see that it redirects to Wikipedia. And then over here it says thank you for getting in touch with us. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the form settings. And you can go ahead and change the form settings as you want whenever you like. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the form settings inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.